What should I do right after a car accident? Call 911, check for injuries, exchange info. Can I talk to the insurance company without a lawyer? Consult a lawyer before speaking to them. Can I recover if the accident was partly my fault? Depends on state laws. Partial fault may allow recovery. What if the other driver has no insurance? Uninsured motorist coverage might help. Talk to a lawyer. How long do I have to sue after an accident? Varies by state. Consult a lawyer ASAP. Should I see a doctor even if I feel fine? Yes, some injuries aren't immediately apparent. Can I sue for pain and suffering? Depending on injuries, you may be able to. Is a quick settlement from insurance good? Consult a lawyer before accepting. How do I prove the other driver's at fault? Gather evidence, witnesses, consult a lawyer. Need a lawyer for a minor accident? Not always, but consult one to be sure. What if the accident was due to a defect? Consult a lawyer. Product liability might apply. Can I recover if it worsened a prior injury? You might. Talk to a lawyer. What's the cost of hiring a lawyer? Many work on contingency. Discuss fees. What if it involved a commercial vehicle? Consult a lawyer experienced in this area. How long to settle an auto accident case? Varies. Complexity, injuries impact time. What if the other driver fled the scene? Uninsured motorist coverage might help. Can I handle the claim on my own? Consult a lawyer for fair compensation. What if the driver was texting during the accident? Distracted driving can help establish fault. Consult a lawyer. What if the accident was due to road conditions? Consult a lawyer. Responsible parties may be liable. What if the at-fault driver was drunk? Consult a lawyer. It may impact your case. What if I can't work due to injuries? You might be compensated for lost wages. Consult a lawyer. Should I provide a recorded statement to insurance? Consult a lawyer before giving any statements. What if the accident happened in a parking lot? Fault determination can be complex. Consult a lawyer. What if insurance denies my claim? Consult a lawyer. They can challenge denials. What if it happened in a rental car? Consult a lawyer. Rental car claims can be complex. What if I was a passenger in the at-fault car? You may have a claim against the driver's insurance. Can I sue the city for poor road maintenance? Consult a lawyer experienced in this area. Can I sue if the accident was long ago? Statute of limitations varies. Consult a lawyer. What if it caused emotional distress? Consult a lawyer for potential compensation. Can I sue for property damage and injuries? Yes, consult a lawyer for your legal options. What if it involved a pedestrian or cyclist? Consult a lawyer. These cases have unique factors. What if insurance pressures me to settle? Consult a lawyer to ensure a fair settlement. Can I handle a claim if not a U.S. citizen? Yes, consult a lawyer. Immigration status doesn't bar a claim. How to deal with medical bills? Consult a lawyer. They can help navigate billing issues. What if it happened in a construction zone? Consult a lawyer. Construction zone accidents can be complex.